Hi, I'm Jac Semmler. I'm a botanical guide with Botanical World Discoveries. I really love plants so much. I specialise in dry climate planting. So I'm a planting designer with a practice called Superbloom. I would love you to join me on the ultimate American road trip through California and the Pacific coast heading into Oregon. I really love California and Oregon. That coastline, it has so much climate compatibility to our Australian gardens. Last year, I travelled to the Californian Superbloom and the Pacific coast for research, and it was the most incredible experience. Seeing the Californian Superbloom, seeing all these incredible plants, amazing desert gardens, and together I've worked with the Botanica team to curate the best road trip. We are visiting all the botanical highlights of Oregon and California, going to Joshua Tree, going to Palm Springs, seeing the Superbloom, going to some incredible botanical collections like the Huntington Gallery, to go to amazing places like Yosemite National Park, to go to the Napa Valley. We're always going to see some of the most incredible institutions like the Getty Museum, all of these other delights in this road trip. Some of the gardens in California and Oregon are so climate compatible to our Australian climate. There's incredible designed gardens like the Huntington Library with incredible collections of succulents, and where bold desert gardening really came to fruition in the Ruth Bancroft Garden. Together with Botanica, we've curated the most amazing journey. I can't wait for you to join me on it.